Okay guys, welcome to GDEX Academy. Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you all enjoy your day. So our topic for today is differentiation. But this time around, instead of using the general formula, we are using the first principle to solve our differentiation problem. So here are the list of questions that I'm going to be solving today, because I'm going to make it very brief and quick so you can understand. I don't want to waste much of your time. So in some textbook you see the question in this form, or they might add square to it, but I'm going to make it in a form that is going to be very easy for us. So without talking too much, let's move to the solution directly. So our solution. So for you to solve differentiation using first principle, I want you guys to pay good attention to this. So our first step here is to y plus dy is equal to x plus what? Dx. You are looking for the y dx. Then what do we do next? You collect like terms by bringing y to the other side. Therefore our dy, which is will be equal to x plus dx minus y. And from our question, we know that y is equals to what? X. We know that y is equals to x. So therefore our dy is equals to x plus dx minus x. We know that x will cancel out each other. Therefore dy is equals to change dx by change. Therefore our dy dx is now equals to 1. So let's quickly confirm. This is our final answer here. But first, quickly confirm this using general formula, which is dy dx equals to x raised to n dot x raised to power minus 1. So dy dx of it is equals to x raised to power 1 minus 1, right? Which is equals to x raised to power 0, which is equals to 1. So you are correct. You have to arrive at the same answer. Thank you. So let's move to the next one, which is, and if you don't understand, can feel free to back forward it. Y is equals to 1 over x. So using first principle, you can press pause and give it a try, and let's see whether we arrive at the same answer. So this was the same following: x plus, right? You collect like terms, that will be change in y is equals to 1 over x plus minus y. So that will be change in y is equals to 1 over x plus change in x minus 1 over x, because y is equals to 1 over x. So you find the LCM of this, which is x in bracket x plus change in x. So if you divide this by this, we having x here minus in bracket x plus change in x, because if you divide this by this, you'll be left with this. Then multiply by 1, you put your minus 1 outside. X, you have x squared plus x change in x. So for us to do this, you have to divide everything by what? Change in x. So therefore change in y divided by change in x is equals to, this cancel out each other, so we're having minus change in x over x squared plus x change in x, everything divided by what? Change in x. So if you reverse this back, we'll be having the x is equals to minus change in x over x squared plus x times 1 over change in x. See that? So this will cancel out this. Then what do you do? You limit change in x to what? To 0. Limit change in x to 0. Therefore (1 over x squared plus x in bracket 0). Therefore our dy dx 1 over x squared. That's our final answer. If you don't understand, you're always free to ask questions. Then we move to the next one, which is what? Y is equals to 5. Oh no, y is equals to 3x. So I want you to press pause and give this a try before I solve it. Just give it a try. Y is equals to 3x. Okay, so let's cross check whether change in y is equals to 3. Then x is what? X plus change in x. So before we move forward, y plus change in y. Y plus change in y is equals to what? 3x plus 3 change in x. Oh, sorry, the bracket is not needed. Then our change in y is equals to 3x plus 3 change in x minus y. And y is what? 3x. So 3x will cancel 3x, right? Then you divide both sides by what? Change in x. If you divide both sides by change in x, then we have 3. Therefore, our dy dx is equals to 3. You can press pause before you start. Y plus change in y is equals to, so this one is quite different, x plus change in x in square minus 4. So what do you do next? If you expand this, you will have, so let me put it in brackets for you guys. This is equals to x squared plus 2x change in x plus, sorry about that, change in x squared. Change in x squared. So that's when you expand this. So you multiply 5 by this. Therefore, our y is equals to, change in y is equals to 5x square. So this is what we get. This is square. Therefore, we know y is equals to 5x square minus 4. Therefore, our change in y is equals to 5x square plus 10x change in x plus change in x square. This is square minus, let us put this in bracket, minus 4. So when we expand, this changes to plus, right? Therefore, it's equals to 5x square plus 10x change in x plus change in x square minus 5x square plus 4. So this 5x square will cancel this 5x square. Gone. Sorry, I forgot to include plus minus 4 here. So this minus 4, you cancel 4. So sorry about the rough. Yes, they divide both sides by what? Change in x. Change in x. Change in x over change in x. So this cancel this. Then this cancel this. So 10x plus change in x. So since this is 3 million, we can't leave our answer like this. Therefore, we limit our change in x to what? 0. You limit change in x to what? 0. Therefore, we have dy dx as what? 10x. As you can see. So if you use our normal general formula, this is what we still get, 10x, because the differentiation of a constant will always give us 0. Hope you guys understand that. So let me solve one more for you guys before I leave, and that is what? Okay, so these are our final question for today. So if you have not liked and subscribed, kindly do so right now by clicking the like button and subscribing, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So this is what we do next. Over change in y is equals to 3 in brackets. You know, we always make this in what? Change in x. Anywhere you see x square, you put it in, you replace it with x plus change in x. So from our previous question, we know what this is, right? So let me break it down for you guys again. That will be 3 in brackets. We know this is x squared plus 2x change in x plus change in x square. Then you have minus 2x minus 2 change in x. So our y plus change in y is equals to 3x square plus 6x change in x plus 3 change x square. Grab minus 2x minus 2 change in x. I think I must have made a mistake in one of the questions before this, so we can check out for the correction. Therefore, our change in y is equals to what? 3x square plus 6x change in x plus 3 change in x square minus 2x minus 2 change in x minus y. So if it's minus y, then that will be minus 3x square. Then this would be what? Plus 2x. Of course, we all know this 3x square will cancel. 2x will cancel plus 2x. So we are left with what? Change in y. Oh, sorry about that. Change in y is what? 6x change in x plus 3 change in x minus what? 2 change in x. Wow, okay. So what do? You divide through by what? You divide everything by a change in x. So change in x. So then what do? So this is what we have left: 6s plus 3 change in s minus what? 2. So we don't want this guy over here. Therefore, we limit it to x. Limit change in we limit it to 0 rather. Once we do that, then we have 6x plus 3 in bracket 0 minus 2. Of course, we all know this is 0. Therefore, our dy dx is equals to 6x minus 2. So we are done for today. So I want you guys to really try this using first principle. Y is equals to 10, and you are free to post your workings in the comment section. I want you to give this a try, and I want you guys to also try this root x.